Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is our second day in South Dakota. Ayun, busy si yung adobo. Busy si Daddy. Nag-refill ng supplies. So magte-trekking kami. Char. Trekking ko na. Mag-hunting sila ng lake. Lake ang pinunta rito. Yan, excited na siya. Naantay na lang namin ang kanyang daddy. Let's go outside. Pakita natin yung lodge. So, ito yung lodge natin. Ito, nasa labas kami ng lodge. Parang maganda din. Sa taas. Ano kaya meron dun? Daan din. Busy maki-chismis ang bata. May daan din dun. May daan din pala dun. May playground. Punta ka dun sa playground. Makikiusyoso kami ng playground. Mamaya play ka dyan. Ito lang ba yun? Oh, may mga cabin palang malaki. May splash pad. Alis na tayo. Later.
Guys, we're here.
Ang puro singkit yung mga
Sabi nino.
yung mataba na.
Mami.
Oh.
Mami, mag-hi ka.
Hi.
Chappy-chappy.
Akala nila, lagi ako ng mga singkit. Okay, we're going in
Mount Rushmore!
Wow. Ano yan? Wow, yun! Nakita rin kita.
Oh, why are you stopping there? Kasi yung view.
Ayan.
Pwede pala tayo mag-stop dun sa.
After 15 years.
Then you arrive at your destination.
In 15 years na nakilala ko sila.
Magkano? $10?
O, cash lang ata dito.
You have arrived.
Wow. Right now, we're here at the parking of Mount Rushmore. Nasa park na po kami.
Yay!
Papunta na kami.
Daddy. Daddy.
Ayan o.
Tingnan mo siya.
Ayan na nak oh.
Tingnan mo siya.
Mauna ka na nga. Ayan yung Mount Rushmore. After 10 years.
You're once a baby.
Mas malala ka pa nga dyan.
Yan na.
Right side.
Yan nga, naglalakad.
Hey.
Ikaw, your Lying on the floor.
You're swimming on the sand, on the floor. You love swimming on the sand, on the stone. My God. Mas close up pala dito, Mi.
Cafe and ice cream. Wala pang breakfast, cafe and ice cream.
Tapos gift shop.
Boardwalk naman pala siya eh.
O, tara.
Tingnan mo, ito. Boardwalk na pataas. Tama ba? O yung grade niya.
Mm.
Ito kasi boardwalk. Ano ba yung boardwalk?
Parang ano, ganyan, ramp.
Oh. Na ito, so ano lang siya. Tapos ito, stairs.
Mm.
Ay, dito ka mapapalabas sa stairs.
Stairs.
Tapos yung presidential trail. Ganito lang. O, tapos cafe yan ice cream. Gusto nyo?
O, tara. We're now walking to the presidential trail. Meron siya dyan.
So tired of you.
Pakain kita sa bear. Mahimik ka dyan. Bibigay kita sa bear pag may nakita ako, ah. Tired of you. Ang sarap pala dito eh. Ang lilim.
Kaya
Ang presko dito, guys. Akala ko mainit. Me? Ikaw na.
ayun, binibidyohan ka ni Daddy. Para makita mo yung kaartehan mo.
Yung paglaki mo. Kompleto na. Abraham Lincoln, George Washington, Theodore Roosevelt. Nakalimutan ko yung isa. Thomas Jefferson. Kano yun? Naked.
I'm gonna hate people now because they're taking my name.
Eh, ito magkano to? We're now eating our... Hindi na ako mag-English. Day off ng mga English ngayon. Ito yung tinatry naman ngayon, yung famous vanilla ice cream.
Thomas Jefferson.
Thomas Jefferson ice cream.
Hirap naman.
Hey! Ba't yung kinain natin yung ice cream dun sa ano, Walay? Parang ice cream ng ospital.
Where's the squirrel? It's so cute. Jitsu though.
Mm. Mm.
Why squirrels are so cute?
Panoorin mo yung... Ay, iba pala yung Alvin and the Chipmunks. Where ba yun?
Ata.
Guys, ano bang Alvin and the Chipmunks?
Pa-comment down below. Sabihin sa
Guys,
atin.
like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Sabihin nila. Manood na lang yan. Movie nila.
Ay, gusto mo ba to? Mm. Tikman mo yung cone.
Hindi, sige lang. Mag-enjoy ako sa vanilla ice cream.
Patikim nga.
Hindi lang siya plain vanilla.
Buti mabait sila rito.
Bakit?
Sabi ko, can you put it in a cup and I'll grab a cone also. Oo daw. So, binigyan nila ko. Tapos, ginanon nila. Ginanon muna nila sa cone. Tapos, nag-enjoy ako sa ano, kukusin ko.
Ako sa vanilla. Cotton candy nila kulang. Saka ba natikman yung the best na cotton candy nila?
Ito ba si Curse?
Ay hindi.
Sa Edward?
Oo, doon.
Saan?
Sa Edward. Uncle Eddie's, Edward.
Alright.
Right now guys, we're going to
Now back in
Quiznos.
1948, when Court Chuck did first come out here, this was nothing but trees. 35 years, and it hasn't been one fatality, and that's how I want to keep it on this mountain. Now the granddaughter, she is the only one who is allowed to fly a drone over this mountain. And periodically she will upload the videos and up throughout the museum so people can see what they are doing up there and fill it up at the end of the night. And that is under the cover porch in the front.
Kami magpipiknik ngayon sa Sylvan Lake.
So, may accident daw sa Needles Highway. Kaya, Sylvan Lake muna tayo. Guys. Oh, daming people. Daming people. Wala akong plano magpatan.
Did you bring my goggles? Where's it?
We're now here at Sylvan Lake.
Paulit-ulit. We're now here at Sylvan Lake.
Picnic time. Hi guys, pupunta tayo ngayon sa pinagshootingan ng National Treasure 2, The Book of Secret. Oh my god. National Treasure. Ha? Tingin ako doon sa overview.
Ang ganda ka.
No, I'm not wearing tennis shoes. Oh, you got? Yeah, they're not horrible, but I don't have a pocket, so I gotta hold my phone.
Ganda.
Anna coming around?
Wow. We're now here at Cathedral with my iyaking baby Jacob. No jumping ah. Don't jump. Saglit lang naman tayo. Halika. Takot. Ito na yung scenic me. Oo. Hanggang dito lang, Jacob. Huwag ka na nalapit dyan. This is the end. Dali. This is now the end of our trip here in Castor Park.
Like this video and subscribe to our
Bye bye. Just like and subscribe to our channel. Bye. Jacob, say bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.